Success is a funny thing. What one person considers success isn't the same for everyone else, but there is one common denominator, and that's that successful people have similar habits. From reading daily to exercise to follow-up strategy, let's take a look at the 7 habits of successful real estate agents. Setting a routine is one of the first steps to success. Every successful agent should set aside time for obligations such as exercise, checking their email, personal time, showings, and so forth. The personal satisfaction that comes from setting goals and accomplishing them builds confidence, which is a key trait of successful people. Successful real estate agents are always looking for new ways to improve their business strategy. In today's world, that goes hand in hand with technology. Did you know agents and brokers are spending $800 to $1,400 a year on technology? Highly successful agents utilize apps, programs, and other subscriptions to help save time and efficiency in their business. If you ever feel like you're being pulled in many different directions, you're not alone. This is what every entrepreneur faces. Labeling your task can help clear up a lot of confusion and help you stay on track. Here's what Liquid Planner recommends. Label all tasks as urgent or important, outline estimated time commitment, plan for things to pop up, and ditch when necessary. Any successful person will tell you that a healthy body equals a healthy mind. Think of it this way. If your brain is an expensive car and you're using bargain fuel, it's not going to run as efficiently as it could. Here are some healthy habits to live by. Eat less more often and supply yourself with healthy snacks. Eat carbs, they boost your mood. Exercise for at least 30 minutes 3 times a week. Avoid processed, fried, and fast foods. They zap your energy, and make a smoothie every day. Successful people have another trait in common. They put a big emphasis on learning and development. For agents, this means becoming a market master. Try attending local events in your community or joining online groups. Or you can go door knocking. Not only will you be making connections in your community, you'll be building a healthy habit too. One of the biggest perks of real estate is that you get to set your own schedule. However, that doesn't mean you still shouldn't treat your job like it's a 9 to 5. Highly successful agents get in early and stay late. Having a set schedule and holding yourself accountable are the 2 top traits of prosperous people. According to the National Sales Executive Association, 48% of salespeople never follow up with a prospect. Many highly successful agents are mastering this, finding creative yet productive ways to keep in touch with clients or reach out to their leads. Did you know 80% of sales are made on the 5th to 12th call? So pick up the phone, make connections, and increase your client list. These 7 habits are a tried and true recipe for success in real estate. If you're looking to be a more successful agent, try implementing some of these simple best practices into your daily routine. What's your recipe for success in real estate? We'd love to hear your feedback in the comments.